Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a lip swatch and review video on the very new The Gloss by Jeffree Star. The shade that I have is Sequin Glass, which is this brown to purple sort of moment. I actually wish I would have gotten a different shade because this shade is like, I don't know. It doesn't look like it'll be my type of shade, but luckily I have a friend who loves lip gloss, so I can probably sell it to her. But the packaging is cute. I do appreciate that it is a slim tube. Like, this is fine. Like, I'm not into this. Like, I don't care how it looks. It does kind of look like a wand, but, you know, it's whatever. And when you open it, it's just like a flat, slightly like diagonal applicator moment. So then let's apply this. This is my first time applying it, so. And I have nothing on my lips right now. So this is what just one dip in the applicator looks like. It definitely feels smooth. I'm gonna go in for a second dip. So this is what Sequin Glass looks like on me. I have decently pigmented lips. I actually like it. Like, I like that it has that brown tint to it because it looks like you're wearing an actual lipstick and then you have a gloss on top. So I do appreciate that. And the glitter is pretty nice as well. And it feels nice. It's not gritty at all. You can feel that it's there, but it feels nice. It feels smooth. I really like it, actually. Yeah, I actually really like this shade. I do hope that Jeffree comes out with more shades because personally there is not enough shades. I only really like one other shade, Ice Cold, but I don't think I need a gloss like this. This is pretty unique to my collection. I do have other brown to purple glosses, but they're nothing like this. And I like that this is almost, it has like blue glitters as well. I definitely really like this shade. I just am not sure like if it's worth the $18. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this quick little video, please let me know, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Make sure you subscribe to my channel.